What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have a 2025 Range Rover SV P615. Now this thing is an absolute beauty with the icy white satin finish from the factory. Now we have done a PPF over this icy white satin finish because we want to keep it nice and protected. But for you guys wondering what this video is about, we are going to be doing a series with this Range Rover SV. Now in this video, we are gonna be doing a couple of things, and we've already done a couple things actually. So what we have done so far is a 25mm spacer in the front, a 35mm spacer in the rear, as well as rear link lowering kit, just because we wanted to lower it just a little bit, but not go in too much of the suspension. Now, the other thing that we are going to be installing, and we will be showing you once it is done, we have a QuickSilver Sound Architect sport exhaust system with their Sound Architect valves. And once we're done getting installed, we'll bring it right back here. That way you guys can get an understanding of what it sounds like with the valves closed and open. And if you guys own a SV, possibly, maybe you're in the market for an exhaust and you want to go pick up a QuickSilver Sound Architect exhaust system. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed hearing the exhaust on this Range Rover SV. I know I did. I think it absolutely sounds killer now with this QuickSilver Sound Architect exhaust system. Well guys, this is it for episode 1 of this Project SV that we are going to be working on. What do we have coming along down the pipeline? Well, you're going to have to stay tuned, but I'll give you a little hint. Body kit and wheels. I'm super excited to bring you guys along this journey of this project, and we will keep you guys fully in the loop with all the updates coming. So as always guys, please leave a like, comment down below what you thought about this QuickSilver Sound Architect exhaust system, and maybe what you guys want to see done to the Range Rover SV. Maybe what the wheels you want to see, or maybe any guesses as to what the body kit will be. But finally, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and join the KHC family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.